Today I'm going to show you how to make air freshener without any harsh chemicals. There's actually only 2 ingredients and it's a lot cheaper than those brand name air fresheners. For example, I bought Febreze a while ago and all that does is last for a little while and it makes the floor sticky, and I've heard from other people that use Febreze that their floor gets sticky. So I'll get to what I'm going to do right now. So as you can probably guess already, I'm going to be using white vinegar. And this spray bottle I just bought at the dollar store for like $2.50 plus tax. And then water. So what I want to do is first put the vinegar in the measuring cup. I'm going to use about a cup because the spray bottle is 1 liter. And this is a lot cheaper than buying Febreze or anything like that. And it also doesn't make the floor sticky, and it doesn't use any harsh chemicals. So I poured in about a cup of vinegar. Now I'm just going to add cold water. I didn't add the water all the way to the top. Now we just stick the nozzle back in. Now that you've added the vinegar and water, you just want to give it a little bit of a shake. Mix around the vinegar and water. And then away you go. And I would recommend only using white vinegar. You do not want to use pickling vinegar because that has a higher percentage of acidity in it. And I'm not sure, but it could do damage to your floor. But this is way cheaper than buying Febreze. There's no lingering chemicals. Maybe you have somebody in your family or household or a friend that has chemical sensitivities. This will not affect them because it's not really chemicals that you're using to freshen up your room. And another tip, if you have someone who smokes or there's a really foul odor, you can put like bowls of just pure white vinegar in different rooms of your home overnight and then dump them out the next morning, and that should get rid of the smell. And an age-old trick is to use a candle too. They work by burning up the molecules in the air that contain foul odors by the flame from the candle burning up the oxygen.
Subscribe or visit my YouTube channel.